Many people find themselves counting down the hours to the weekend, feeling trapped in the stress of a traditional 9-to-5 job. This common struggle often leads to a desire for change, and the importance of taking control of one's life and career choices. In this video, we will explore practical ways to transition from a conventional job to alternative work options that align with your passions. Traditional 9-to-5 employment offers security and predictability, providing a steady paycheck and benefits. However, this structure often comes with significant stress and limitations due to fixed work schedules that can hinder personal freedom. Many individuals find themselves yearning for alternatives that promote a better work-life balance, seeking opportunities that allow for greater flexibility and fulfillment in both their professional and personal lives. Flexible work hours and self-employment offer a compelling appeal, allowing individuals to design their workdays according to personal preferences. Freelancing provides the freedom to balance personal and professional responsibilities, enabling a more harmonious lifestyle. Additionally, the ability to choose when and how much to work empowers individuals to tailor their schedules, leading to increased productivity and satisfaction in both their careers and personal lives. Turning hobbies into careers can be incredibly satisfying, allowing individuals to earn a living from something they genuinely love. Engaging in fulfilling work not only enhances overall happiness, but also fosters a sense of purpose. By pursuing personal interests, individuals can create a more meaningful career that aligns with their passions, ultimately leading to greater job satisfaction and a more enriched life experience. The motivation behind seeking control in one's work life often stems from the limitations of traditional jobs, which impose rigid rules and deadlines. Many find empowerment in self-employment, where they can manage their projects and make decisions that align with their values. By taking charge of their workload and choices, individuals can create a more fulfilling and autonomous work experience that reflects their true aspirations. Non-traditional jobs offer the flexibility to fit various lifestyles, providing the freedom to travel and work from diverse locations. Remote work and freelance roles have emerged as viable options for those seeking this flexibility. By embracing these alternatives, individuals can build routines that support personal exploration and growth, allowing them to balance their professional responsibilities with the desire to experience new places and opportunities. Flexible work setups can significantly lower stress levels by alleviating the burnout often associated with typical job routines. By promoting a healthier work-life balance, individuals can prioritize their well-being and mental health. This flexibility allows for personal organization, enabling people to create environments that suit their needs and preferences. Encouraging viewers to seek such setups can lead to a more fulfilling and less stressful work experience. Encouraging viewers to pursue work that resonates with their values can lead to profound fulfillment, whether in traditional roles or self-employment. While both paths offer unique rewards, self-employment often provides the opportunity to engage in projects that feel truly meaningful. By aligning their careers with their passions, individuals can experience a deeper sense of purpose, ultimately enhancing their overall satisfaction and happiness in their professional lives. To successfully transition from a 9-to-5 job, viewers should start by assessing their own situations and interests. Exploring alternative career paths, such as freelancing, consulting, or starting a small business, can open new income sources. It's crucial to emphasize finding the best fit for individual lifestyles, ensuring that the chosen path aligns with personal values and goals for a more fulfilling work experience. We explored the reasons why many seek to leave the traditional 9-to-5 job, such as the desire for greater flexibility, fulfillment, and control over their careers. By embracing alternative work options like freelancing, remote work, or turning hobbies into careers, you can design a lifestyle that aligns with your values and passions. What steps are you ready to take toward creating a more meaningful and flexible career? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Make sure to watch our next video where we dive into 7 easy weekend side hustles to make extra money.